Hi everybody, it's Vic here from CRM Experts, and in today's video I'm going to demonstrate to you the fastest and easiest way on how to access your CRMCoPilot AI account. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up a new browser and type in the correct URL to the site. Go ahead and click enter and it should bring you to the main dashboard. On the far right of your screen, you're going to notice it says login. So you're going to click on that. And as you can tell, I already have existing credentials. I've made an account. I'm a member. But if you haven't made an account yet, I advise you to go ahead and click the register button. It's pretty simple, easy, it's a smooth process. But if you're already an existing member and you have a username and password, you're going to go ahead and type that in and click login. Once you've logged in, you'll notice on the bottom left side of the screen, it will say log into Copilot. So we're going to go ahead and click on that so we go to the dashboard of Copilot. You're going to type in your email and password, click login, and now you can start searching for all the leads that you need or want.